Right then folks, here we go. SKODA FABIA VRS just landed with us, ready for our next sale. It's not pristine, it has had a bit of paint work, there's a bit of rust coming through, but it starts up on the button. It was driven here, don't know how far, but it was driven here. But it looks very usable. Wheels could do with a refurb. It's had a bit of paintwork on the boot lid, as you can see. They all suffer with rust to these, but this definitely isn't the worst. Diesel engine, 112,000 miles on the clock. It's not killed in miles either. Let's have a bit of a closer look. Like I say, wheels could maybe do with a bit of a refurb. Paintwork's a little bit flat on there. Just starting to rust up on the sills. It's had a bit of paintwork there, look. Have a quick look in the boot. Clean and tidy in the boot though. Same sort of story down here really as well. Just starting to rust up on the sills, which is a bit of a shame. A quick look inside. Passenger side, ever so clean inside actually. Seat's good on the passenger side. Yeah, ever so clean. Quick look at the back. It's one I definitely want you to come down and have a look at. Make your own inspections. But yeah, starts up, first turn of the key, which is always good. Clean and tidy on the back seats. Let's have a quick look on the driver's side. Bit of wear on the bolsters, but not too bad. Let's have a quick look inside. Yeah, 112,000 miles showing, no lights on the dash. So yeah, there you go. SKODA FABIA. Please do come down and have a look when we open for viewing. And as ever, speak to the office regarding the paperwork. Thank you.